Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Yuki Kokona. Code HMN087. Released on December 28, 2021. And it has 180 minutes watch time. The story is about debut production. Yuki Kokona will showcase her first appearance in the industry, so stay tuned for more series to watch. Highly recommended.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.